Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss the same discussion, how to make money. And here we are going to discuss the final one. Already have discussed in last three videos. If you have already watched, you have understood what step by step we are discussing to make money. It is your money. How much you are earning, based on that, even you can make even more money. So these are the topic we are discussing in this series, and here we are going to discuss your final discussion, that is all about your investment. So how much left out? If you have watched last three videos, you will be knowing the calculation, but here I'll tell you it is only 30% left out. So you can go back, watch, and then you come back so that you will understand the complete step by step. 30% left out, and that is not left out, that is must and should you have to invest. So what you need to do, repeat this fourth step first. Whenever you are having your money, let's say if you're a service person, if you're a salaried person, or let's say whatever the business person, whatever consulting you are doing, whatever you are earning actually, whenever you are receiving your money, maybe on the 31st, maybe on the 1st, maybe on the 2nd, 3rd, whatever date you are receiving your money, exactly it is sitting in your bank account. The first and foremost thing you have to do, not the first video, second video, or the third video, this is the fourth video, you have to do this. Means the 30% minimum, this should be maximum how much you can do this. But yes, this I'm talking even irrespective of your earning. Even though I'm earning even 10,000, even though I'm earning even 50,000, or maybe 1 lakh, or maybe 10 lakhs, this should be your bare minimum, your 30% I need to invest. Then only you can control on your capital, then only you can control on your expense, then only you can control on your want and need, then only you can control on your other even luxury even things only. So if I'm not even able to save first, if I'm not even able to invest first, then what will happen? As a human being, all you know, even that money somewhere, somehow it will be spent, or it will be gone. And finally, whatever tips you are getting from this video, you are not even able to maintain. And if you're not even able to maintain, then what is going to happen as an end result? It is your money you are going to lose, and you are not even going to make money. You are going to lose money, but you are not going to make money. Now, when I'm talking this 30% basically investment means what? It is all about your savings. So on this savings you are going to invest. And what will happen that invest? Already we have discussed even a lot of financial tools. You can go back, you can watch even all my financial tools. Even in series also I have even finished a lot of even series also. You talk about mutual fund, you talk about let's say your banking products, you talk about your let's say even other even parameters, even your other even financial products. So in series we have already even discussed some of the things we have not spoken, but definitely in coming videos definitely we'll be discussing. But 30%, if I'm going to invest, and let's say today my income is 1 lakh, today my income is 5 lakhs, today my income is 10 lakhs. Out of that 30%, if I'm going to save and that money I'm just keep aside and going to invest first, I can do whatever even I want to do, even after 10 years, even after 20 years, even after losing my job, even after losing my income, even after having even any emergency call, or maybe any kind of emergency situation, medical situation, or maybe it's education, whatever it is. I'll be fearless because this 30% I'm going to invest not only on single parameters. That we'll discuss probably on the next video. But yes, this 30% you can save and you can invest any of the financial, not only single one, not only FD, not only mutual fund. If I look out in that way, there are some people even they are very prone to do. No, I'm okay with mutual fund. I'm okay with share market. I'm okay with FD. I'm okay with insurance. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with that, or maybe crypto, or maybe this is a new concept. But I'm not talking. It is your investment. It is your savings. It is your hard-earned money. You have to take care of it. And I'm not stopping which product you need to invest, which product you need to buy, which product you need to check. No, I'm not here for all these things. I'm here only to give you the experience of mine, what I have gathered in last 19 years. 30% you need to save. How you have to invest, what parameters you have to invest, that probably we are going to discuss in the next video. But yes, 30%. So 40 to 50 in my first video. Second video it is 10%. Again the third video it is 10%, and left out 30%, it is in this video. So this is altogether my total income 100% I'm going to even utilize. And again I'm repeating, this is last and this is the 30th percent of my income I need to do first. Then I need to follow my remaining even 70%. So 30% I need to keep aside for my investment, because this is actually my saving. When you have a proper saving, then only you can do the proper investment. If you do not have the savings, maybe this month I am having, let's say, 20%, next month I am having 25%. After that, it will be, let's say, 15%. Maybe there is some medical emergency, then I no savings only. That means what? Again, you are going to be under even depreciation of your own even money itself. Maybe not today, but yes, tomorrow if you look out, then definitely again you have to borrow or you have to pay on your capital interest. So indirectly or directly, you are going to lose your money until unless if you don't follow this parameters or these steps and this percentage while having your income versus your control on your money. Thanks for watching. And any questions, any doubt, any kind of queries, I'm always welcome. You are most welcome in my chat box, even my mailbox also. I'm just waiting even loads of questions, loads of even queries from your end, so that it will be refresh my mind also, so that what way even I can guide you on a better aspect. Thanks for watching.